Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Kenyoun flew out from California to have his bike done. He shipped the bike, but he personally flew out. He wanted to make sure that the bike sounded exactly the way that he wanted. He sat here and listened to about 10 different bikes, figured out the exact sound he wanted, and I'm pretty sure we executed for him. Was it worth the trip?
Very worth it.
Are
really worth it.
You happy with the sound?
Definitely happy. Can't wait to get back home.
Awesome. Thank you for trusting us. Have a safe trip. So Kenyoun has his own business and he could work remotely. So it was a unique situation. He shipped the bike out. Then he flew out and landed the same day that the bike came in. So he got to hang out with us in the shop for a week and a half, completely go over the build, listen to at least 10, 12 bikes to get the exact sound that he wanted. He got to tell us exactly what he was looking for. We got to let him listen to a bunch of bikes. It came out really good. He got to watch our detailed process step by step. He came, hung out with us every day, almost for the full day. It was cool. Then for the weekend, he flew his wife out, and they spent the weekend in New York City, went to the Statue of Liberty. So it was a great experience for him and his wife. We were glad they were able to do it. It was awesome hanging out with him. And at the end, we delivered a product that we were happy with, and I'm pretty sure he's completely happy with. He knew exactly what sound he wanted, which made it a lot easier for us. He had his phone ready, his demo music, and he just, even after we built the bike, he spent hours playing with it, listening to it, making sure it was exactly what he wanted. The reason he came all the way out to New Jersey is there's a different style of install in California. We get this a lot from California, and we get this a lot from Atlanta, Georgia. These guys like to run 6x9s in the bags, and there's nothing wrong with it, but we don't do that here. So they like to put 2 6x9s in each bag facing the rear wheel, and that's how they produce bass. Our issue with that is 6x9s have a really small voice coil. Average 6x9 has a 1.5-inch voice coil if you're lucky. Just doesn't have the cone area. And every time we've tried to do it, we can barely get 200 to 300 watts to each 6x9 without smoking them. The cone area on a 10-inch mid-bass driver and the size, we have 10-inch mid-bass with 3-inch voice coil on mid-bass. So they can handle a whole lot more power. I'm sorry, I've never seen a setup with 4 6x9s that can handle a 3000.1. So he's going to be hurting a lot of feelings when he gets back home. Bike sounds tremendous. My favorite part of the install is the bike looks completely stock. When you look at the bike, you can't tell that it's been touched, and that's what we specialize in here. It's a brand new bike. It's stock bags. We specialize in getting really good bass with stock bags and not cutting any of the factory wiring. He got to watch 100% of the install. No shortcuts were taken. All the factory harnesses are intact. We use a T-harness for the DSP. The fit and finish is beautiful. The bike is serviceable. There's quick disconnects on the bags. So I think we made the trip worthwhile for him. Check out the build. Evo X2 1600.1, Evo X2 800.4, HKI Mini DSP, Doobie bass knob, factory GTS radio flashed. We went with Cicadas in the uppers, lowers, Beyma carbon fiber sealed back in the lids, and Cicada 10-inch mid-bass drivers.
Won't you come with me to Chocolate City? In the city of LA, there's a place where the player plays. Chocolate City.
Oh yeah, this the one. Come here. Let me talk to you. One call, two calls, three calls. Is that what I do to you? Is that what I do to you? You're outside.
I've been around and brought you down, it's true. I had some dreams and said some things to you. If I said too much, I know you're mine to lose. I had some dreams and said some things to you.
This girl is an instant danger. The way she moves on the dance floor. Mami, yo sé que soy un extraño. Y yo quiero que me des calor. Love how you move them hips, girl. Shaking it like a pro. Bring esa cinturita. Tick-tock, muévelo slow.
Oh, she just wants some dick. Got that big Birkin bag worth 5-6 figures. She might be out your league. Can you buy that nigga? I pull up on the top, going on the throne, I'm the dog. You can fuck around if you want, out in Bali. Big swing, big dress, big ass, niggas work, nigga, big mess. Before we done, she asked what we going through it next. Next, so what it fucked up the seats in the jet. She like all that gangsta shit. Top down, riding round with the blick. Who you with? Whoa. She like all that gangsta shit. I said she like all that gangsta shit. She wanna fuck with the move.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping their gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, then ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel. But watch your mouth before I flash a bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists.